Hello everyone. So today I was looking at this question from Prakriti on the community about troubleshooting your mail handler, especially the JSM mail handler. Now, if you're on cloud, then you can definitely use the Jira Service Management where you have the option to configure your own custom email to receive tickets. And if I show you my email configuration. So right now, of course, I don't really have any emails configured, but you can still send an email. I don't really have any custom email configured, but you can still send an email to this default email account given to you by your Jira Cloud instance. But you can also configure your own email using Google, Microsoft, or maybe using this other option here where I guess it can use any custom email. Now the thing is that if you're working with emails, you might sometimes encounter an issue with the connectivity, especially with the custom email. For example, last week I was actually using this for my own service desk, not my own service desk, but my company, the service desk, and I encountered an issue with Google, and actually I actually wrote a blog post about it. So what happened is that I was able to connect, but when you are connecting, or when I connected the account, I didn't really check this box where it says read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account. So basically, you need to give this permission. Of course, about Google. I'm talking about Google here, but this was the problem. And the thing is that if you want to troubleshoot, the only option that you have is the option here called view log. If you click on this view log option here, you will see the processing log of those incoming emails, and you can of course learn about it if you want, and you can of course see if there is a problem with maybe your setup, and you can possibly see some information here related to what is wrong. In most cases, I think if you are not able to see your emails getting converted to email to issues, then it is probably the connectivity issue. And on server, of course, you have the option to also take a look at your Jira log file or Catalina log, and you can do proper troubleshooting because it is your own server. But on cloud, the only option that you have is to take a look at this option here. Of course, you do have, we are talking about the mail handler that is within Jira Service Management, but for everything else, for other Jira issues, we also have this mail server that you can configure. And this is also, when you're looking at your cloud instance, you do get one mail handler that you can also of course configure based on your own requirements. So you can actually configure your very own custom mail handler, and if you're looking at some log, I think it will probably give you some idea about what is possibly wrong. And I thought I'll probably share this with all of you, that there is a log on cloud as well. A bit limited, but at least you have something. And I'm of course sharing this from my own experience, because last week I was looking at this log of mine where it was giving me some errors, warnings related to the connectivity, but it was not really connectivity issue, but it was more about the permission issue. But when you look at the log and when you do some Google search, you will be able to hopefully troubleshoot. So that is all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you found this video useful and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.